With her assistant and nurse, Sofiana. It's a machine that can help improve all those brown spots and the wrinkles that you accumulate. And Dr. Doris, stay with us this morning with some help.
That's right. Well, you know, when it comes to skin, one size fits none. So we need a personalized approach for where you're at. So if you've had sun, if you have acne, if you don't like the lines and wrinkles and sunspots that are starting to form, you really, really need an approach that your dermatologist sets for you. And what I love about HydraFacial is it really helps me personalize this approach for the patient. So it starts out with cleansing, and then with the outer laser, it helps resurface the skin and removing that dead outer layer
like an
of skin cells.
Of some sort?
It's a peel, an exfoliant, and also the vortex technology. This has special technology that helps pull that skin off without creating inflammation or trauma. So it's great for all skin types for that reason.
So let me ask you something. It's pulling stuff out of the pores, right?
That's the next
Because you would get so much makeup that would come out of mine.
Yeah.
Well, we cleanse first, so there's no out of the pores. Yeah. So that's the extraction. But a lot of extraction uses nails and a tissue, and it's really traumatic, and you leave looking all beat up. This is not that way. This is non-traumatic extraction, doesn't create inflammation, and she's actually doing that section right now.
What does it feel like?
Does it hurt?
It feels amazing.
Really?
It does?
You feel like it's being like a cleanser. I mean, do you feel like something's being taken out?
Deep pore cleansing and resurfacing. So when you remove that outer layer, then you can get everything out of the pores, and then we infuse. So we're not just leaving your skin ready to lose water and feeling dehydrated. We actually then can infuse different ingredients, and that's what we select special. So for someone who has oily skin, we can put in salicylic and glycolic acid. Someone who is a little bit older or who has sun-damaged skin, we can do antioxidants.
So it's not
we can
one
add in
size fits all.
brighteners. Right, so we can combine things, and then we add an LED light, whether it's blue light or red light. So for acne, we'll go more blue.
That LED light? Because I keep hearing about it.
It's fantastic. So LED light doesn't really create heat, but it has a specific target. So blue light will target the bacteria that causes acne and knock it out, and also helps with skin cell turnover. And the red light helps with healing and collagen
That's
production.
not dangerous at all.
That's a light, and it's eye safe as well. So we can do this, and then we have extra lights that we do as well. So this is a light.
This is the LED light that you have in your hands.
That's right.
And what exactly does that do again?
So that, depending on what we're trying to target, the red light helps with rejuvenation, and the blue light helps with acne.
All right, so how long do you put that LED light on for?
It's just for a few minutes. It doesn't take very long at all. And that's the beauty of LED light. It's not the length of time, it's the wavelengths of light that we pick. So that's going to help.
How often should you have this done?
So this can be done, depending on your skin type, as much as once a week if you have really acne prone and very glandular skin, to once a month, and then maintenance every 3 to 4 months.
So Beyond Beautiful, it's in your book.
It's in my book.
But this is a new machine, right?
This
a brand
is
new machine?
And it's a brand new book.
And it's a brand new book. Now back here,
Is
while
where-
is where all the stuff goes in. It's like the garbage can of what comes out.
So you can actually see what comes out of your skin. Some people kind of obsess over that. They like to see, and they feel more gratified. There's something gratifying about knowing what's coming out of your skin. But
by the way, it looks good.
Thank you.
Nothing unusual, no gremlins or anything.
Hers actually looks really good compared to what we sometimes see.
Well, she's got beautiful skin to begin with. So what are the risks with doing this?
It's really very low risk. If, you know, as a dermatologist, I see every single patient and determine the right treatment plan and approach for them. Desiana is a nurse. She's properly trained, so she knows exactly how to do and what the endpoints are. And then we listen to the patient. So if a patient says an area is uncomfortable, or if we see that there's an open wound or a problem with the skin, then we know that we have to back off. So deciding the treatment, having the right device, and the right people doing it is all very important steps to make sure things are good. And when we look at the skin, we look for problems.
What's the cost of something like this?
It ranges up from $250 and up, depending on what boosters you're having.
$250 per treatment.
Per treatment, yes.
And how many treatments? I mean, is it endless treatments?
No, you see, well, with the skin, I always say you're stuck with me for life. Because your skin is always being exposed. So if you sat in a dark room and had no emotions, probably you'd need less treatments, fewer treatments. But if you're living life and you're out there stressing and wearing makeup and not going in the sun without sunscreen.
Excuse me, I said I went with sunscreen.
But the tan still counts. I always have an answer for that. But the idea is that as long as, you know, you go through life and skin goes through processes, we need to maintain it. So then we send you home with skincare to help make everything we do work better and last longer.
until the next treatment.
Until the next. But people look forward to it because your skin feels radiant and smooth afterwards. This is something that has little to no downtime. Your skin just feels hydrated, radiant, because we take it from the first step of cleansing to the last step of infusing. So we get products and ingredients into your skin so that we seal it and we leave it protected.
Dr. Day, your office is in Manhattan, right?
Yes.
70th
in Madison.
70th in Madison. The book is out now. It's called Beyond Beautiful, and great tips in here on how to get your skin looking great. I mean, it is the first thing you see.
I know,
And I have to say, you know, when you meet somebody with beautiful skin, like I met Jennifer Lopez, like I was just like, I couldn't get enough of her.
What do you do?
Well, it's a sign of health and well-being, and it's really a powerful reflection of your self-esteem.
Right.
So when I know when someone has beautiful skin, they go out with more confidence and they make other better life decisions. So a lot of what I do really does go beyond the skin, and it's incredibly powerful.
All right.
Nice to
Dr.
have you
Doris
here.
Day,
So
thank
good
you
to
for
be here.
being with us.
Thank you all for being here.
Thank you, Danielle.
You look
That was
great.
awesome.
You have
Stunning.
nice, beautiful, healthy glow.
Yeah.